Hi, my name is Fingrut, and my social enterprise pitch is called the UBC Stem Cell Club, Strengthening the Canadian Stem Cell Donor Database. Many patients with blood cancers or other blood diseases need a stem cell or a bone marrow transplant to get better. To do these stem cell transplants, patients need to find a perfect genetic match, which is something that's really hard to do. Some of the time, patients can find a match in their own families, but the majority of the time, patients need to find an unrelated donor to get a bone marrow or stem cell transplant. The Global Stem Cell and Marrow Network is a database that's used to find a match for patients who need stem cell or bone marrow transplants. In Canada, individuals can sign up to be potential stem cell donors either online or at stem cell drives, where they swab their cheeks to provide a tissue sample, which goes on to this database. It's very challenging in Canada to find a match, and right now over 900 Canadians can't find a match at all. The UBC Stem Cell Club was created to address this problem, and we aim to increase both the quality and quantity of membership on Canada's stem cell donor database, which is run by an organization called OneMatch. The Canadian stem cell donor database needs improvement. Right now, less than 1% of Canadians are on this database. And just to provide some context, about 4% of Canadians donate blood regularly. And so there's still quite a ways to go in terms of improving the actual membership on this database. As well, the quality of the Canadian stem cell donor database is lacking. The ideal stem cell donor is young and healthy and willing to donate to anyone in need. And as well, the ideal stem cell donor is male. And that's because studies have shown that when the donor is male, patients have about a 10% less chance of graft versus host disease, or sort of a rejection of the transplant. As well, ethnically diverse individuals are highly sought after, as patients are more likely to find a genetic match in their own ethnic community. However, as you can see, this is the current breakdown of Canada's database right here, and you can see that only 12% of the database is young men, and only 5% of the database is young men that are ethnically diverse, that are non-Caucasian. And so we really do need to focus on improving Canada's stem cell donor database quality as well. The UBC Stem Cell Club is directed by this evidence, and we aim to sign up every year 1,500 registrants. And we aim to specifically target the most needed demographics to affect the greatest chance of matching patients and donors and saving lives. Our initiative is run by a group of UBC medical students, and we secure funding from community initiative grants. To date, we've secured $3,000 in funding, we've coordinated 18 stem cell drives, and we've recruited over 2,200 individuals to be potential stem cell donors. Over 90% of those individuals were under 35 years of age, and in 2012, during our university campus stem cell drives, 70% of the people we registered were male. Now, from here, we aim to expand the number and size of our stem cell drives. And looking ahead into the future, we aim to open up chapters of our club at university campuses and medical schools across Canada and the US. Now, what can you all do to help? You guys can all sign up to be potential stem cell donors. And you can sign up either at bethematch.org if you're from the United States, or at onematch.ca if you're living in Canada. Or if you're from another country as well, there are over 49 countries that have databases of their own that you can sign up on. The process takes about 5 minutes, and you're mailed a swab kit to swab your cheeks, to give a DNA sample to join the registry. I'll leave you with this thought. In just 5 minutes, you could have the chance to save a life. And my discussion question is, how can we best recruit young and ethnically diverse males to expand the stem cell donor bank and help save the lives of those in need? Thank you.